Is this the most daring luxury car of 2025? I'm standing next to the new DS4, and it's challenging everything we thought we knew about premium hatchbacks. Let's find out if this French contender has what it takes to shake up the establishment. The luxury car market is crowded with lookalikes. German precision here, British refinement there, but rarely do we see something truly distinctive. Enter the DS4, a breath of fresh air in an increasingly homogeneous segment. First impressions, it's stunning in the metal. DS has created something that refuses categorization, taller than a traditional hatchback, but more streamlined than a crossover. The proportions are masterful, with a confident stance enhanced by a flowing roofline that tapers gracefully toward the rear. Under the skin, the DS4 offers several powertrain options, but the 222 horsepower plug-in hybrid system stands out. With up to 38.5 miles of electric range and low CO2 emissions, it balances performance and efficiency impressively. The lighting design deserves special mention. DS calls it their light signature, but that undersells the artistry. These aren't just headlights, they're carefully crafted elements that define the car's character day and night. Inside is where French luxury truly differentiates itself. While German rivals focus on technical precision, DS embraces sensory pleasure. Materials that invite touch watch strap leather, Alcantara, real metal, create an ambiance that feels special. The diamond pattern motif repeats throughout, from stitching to switchgear. Technology integration is clever. The main touchscreen handles primary functions, but DS has included an innovative secondary touchpad positioned where your hand naturally rests. This small screen provides shortcuts to favorite functions, a brilliant solution to modern interface complexity. The focus clearly leans toward comfort. The predictive suspension system reads the road ahead, preparing the dampers for upcoming surface changes. This technology, previously reserved for flagship luxury sedans, suggests DS takes ride quality seriously. Starting at £32,000 and rising to £45,900 for top-spec models, the DS4 isn't shy about its premium aspirations. The plug-in hybrid begins at £39,000. Significant but competitive given the technology on board. What fascinates me most is how light plays across the bodywork. Those sculpted surfaces and character lines create constantly shifting patterns as you walk around the car. The designers have employed a visual trick, positioning the wheels at the far corners and fitting them flush with the body sides to maximize presence. The flush door handles that emerge on approach add a theatrical element missing from most competitors. What's most refreshing about the DS4 is its confidence. This isn't a car apologizing for not being German. Instead, it celebrates its French identity through distinctive design, innovative features, and a focus on comfort rather than lap times. For buyers tired of the predictable choices, the DS4 represents something genuinely different, a car with character in a segment increasingly defined by conformity. It's not trying to out-German the Germans, but rather offers an alternative vision of what a premium car can be. Will it convert the faithful from established brands? That remains to be seen. But for those willing to look beyond the obvious choices, the DS4 offers something increasingly rare in today's market. A premium car with personality. What do you think? Would you consider something different like the DS4 for your next car? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.